Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I got this last little bit of soffit to do on this farmhouse build. It's just a little stretch, just going to kind of show you how to do it. It's really simple, really easy, but it looks really clean and nice and maintenance free. So I'm just choosing to do this last little stretch just to show you because this is the last of what I got. So I'm just going to have to put like a channel up there and then the soffit and then wrap the face with a fascia trim. So I just want to kind of show you how I'm going to do it. This is an aluminum like tongue groove soffit. So I'm just going to get on into it. So the first thing I did is I went ahead and got some 2x4s, actually 2x6s, but pre-cut them to fit in between the lookouts on my rafter and attaching them to the rafter in between the lookouts. And what this does is gives a solid wood surface for my J channel to nail to and keep straight for my soffit. So I'm going to show you kind of how to do that. I'm going to cap this. We're going to have a channel receiving this, which it can slide into. So I'm going to take something like this and I'm going to make it cut for that. So I'm going to measure this distance here, mark it, and then cut it and fasten it up. So I know this is 3 1/4 down to nothing at 16 3/4 inches to here. I want 18 1/4 to here. So this is trim. It's basically this trim up here along the beam, and it looks like a J channel, and it is. It's just a slimmer one that just receives the soffit because it's a 3/8 material instead of a 3/4, like the steel siding is. So I'm going to go ahead and nail this up here. Just with like a roofing nailer, and then the soffit will receive the soffit and keep it tight. So this is our soffit material. I'm doing 18-inch soffit. I had to cut them to length because they come in sheets of 9 foot, but that worked with 18-inch because you could get 6 out of them. So it has a receiving end, and then it has like a tongue end, kind of like a tongue and groove. This is an aluminum soffit, looks like 1x4, but you just kind of, once you get started, you slide into the previous end. I do kind of orient it so water runs down and not in, so like it runs an overlap, kind of like a siding. I just am using a crown stapler to tack it. Every once in a while I do just kind of check it with my speed square along the fascia, make sure it's staying kind of square because you can kind of stretch it in and out a little bit. So the face side you staple. The wall side just slides into this that J channel, and then you just keep on going on. It actually is pretty simple. Just it's a little bit different if you haven't worked with it before. It's a soffit material that's just painted. I could get it to match my siding, but it's really nice stuff. It looks really sweet when it's up, and it's maintenance free, so it's basically a lifetime product. So this is our fascia trim. It's got just L shape with a hem right here, so it keeps rigidity. I'm going to cut. Whoa, wrong side. Wrong end, Josh. Okay. And cut this end like on a 212, which is up there. It's going to go up there. Okay.
Like that. More like us that. We're going to cut with our snips. Tuck underneath this trim. Now I'm going to go mark the other end. Okay. So we got this 212 cut in here. It's pinched behind this trim, this J, and this corn trim. It's actually pinched kind of tight, so it's sitting by itself. I'm going to go down here and mark that to the profile at the bottom and cut that. So. Alright guys, so this soffit is now complete. This over here I'm going to do with some wood soffit later. And the reason I'm doing that is because I got can lights in there and the metal soffit wouldn't work so good. So anyways, we got this soffit up. Just kind of show you how I did it. Maybe there's different ways to do it, different trims. But using that J channel and the aluminum soffit and that fascia trim, I think it just came out sweet. So if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. We got a lot more coming. Getting ready to get on the inside of this farmhouse. So I'm pumped for that, and so is my wife. But we got a couple more things to do on the outside yet. So until next time guys, Josh out.